Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix ghost touches on Android. So make sure you will have Android device as well. Just swipe up and just find Android settings. Just get in. After scroll down, find display. Just tap on it as well and just scroll down, and after you will see two options. Number one, accidental touch protection. So it will protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as pocket or bag. So make sure it will be turned it on. Second, touch sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protector. So make sure it will also turn it on. So in this way you will have to fix ghost touches on Android. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.